Hello, my friend! Today we sing How Deep Is Your Love by the BeeGees. Brasileiros, que novela que tinha essa trilha sonora? Comenta aqui. Here we go! Know your eyes in the morning sun, feel you touch me in the pouring rain. And the moment that you wander far from me, I wanna feel you in my arms again. Can you come to me on a summer breeze, keep you warm in your love, then you softly leave. And it's me you need to show. How deep is your love? Your love, how deep is your love? I really need to learn, 'cause we're living in a world of fools, breaking us down when they all should let us be. We belong to you and me, I believe in you. No, you're the door to my very soul. You're the light in my deepest, darkest hour. You're my savior when I fall. And you may not think that I care for you, when you know down inside that I really do. And it's me you need to show. How deep is your love? It's your love. How deep is your love? I really need to learn, 'cause we're living in a world of fools, breaking us down when they all should let us be. We belong to you and me. La 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 la, la 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 la, la 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 la. La 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 la. Sing along, complete the lyrics, and share this video with your friends. Thank you very much. I'm Felipe Gibi. See you next class. I'll be your dream, I'll be your wish, I'll be your fantasy. I'll be your hope, I'll be your love, be everything that you need.